Some users go straight to the footer for shipping and returns info. When they can't find that info in the footer, it leads to confusion, delays, or even abandonment. Here's how to make critical policy info easily findable. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 252 of Baymard's original large-scale usability test findings. Always have direct links to return policy and shipping info in the footer. When users, like this participant on Home Depot, can't find the returns policy link in the footer, they may end up contacting support directly, wasting time for both the user and the support team unnecessarily. Even though the Apple footer includes links to many product types and account features, it lacks links to key info like returns or shipping. As a result, many users waste time trying to figure out where to find this important information. On Etsy, users must spend extra time figuring out where to find returns and shipping information, as there are no direct links in the footer. While many may turn to the Help Center, adding that extra step creates unnecessary friction, especially since there's plenty of space in the footer to include these links directly. In one of Baymard's studies, 34% of survey respondents said the footer is one of the places they typically look for a site's return policy. Place direct links to returns and shipping information in the footer, as users expect to find them there. This saves time for those looking for key details before completing a purchase. Also, use clear expected terms like returns and shipping, avoiding unconventional labels that may not match what users are scanning for. On both Kohl's and CB2, users can quickly access shipping and returns information through direct footer links, making it faster and easier to find these key details. Several European test users, like this one on Esprit in Germany, scrolled to the footer when looking for shipping and returns information. Both Macy's and Williams-Sonoma include returns and shipping links in mobile footers under collapsed sections labeled Customer Service. Given the limited space on mobile, this is a solid approach as it keeps the information accessible without overwhelming the layout, and users are unlikely to miss it. In one of Baymard's quantitative studies, respondents who were identified as frequent online shoppers were more likely to go straight to the footer when looking for return policies or shipping terms compared to less frequent shoppers. These were just a few highlights from our research findings. We offer much more in-depth guidance on optimizing your site-wide navigation, with over 40 actionable guidelines available in our research catalog. To explore further, visit baymard.com/product.